What's good, YouTube? Quick little video today. As you guys can see, no exhaust on my bike. It's been roughly 3 weeks. Package finally came in. As you can see, I got my nice little purple polo on. Came here straight from work to get this exhaust put on. Give you a sneak peek, or I mean, not sneak peek, because you guys could probably see from the thumbnail, but new exhaust going on the bike. Right off the bat, let's get into it. I went ahead and cut it. Had not even looked at it at all. Like I said, just cut it. Grab the camera. And you can see, guys, made in the US. And I thought this was pretty funny here. Packaging looks great. A1. Got the stealth paper in here. Man. Let's get it out of here. All right, I'm unboxing everything. So far, packaging is A1. Everything's bundled up and wrapped up nice and neat. You can see this bracket, and I'm assuming hardware in there as well. Pipe bomb muffler that I went with. And the good folks over at Stealth sent me something else, as you guys can see. So this is the cone muffler. Nice thing about Stealth Pipes is you can use any of their mufflers with their headers, their exhaust headers. So I wanted this pipe bomb muffler for the style, and they also sent me the cone muffler with the clamps to run that as well. So I'm gonna put this one on, and then later on down the line, I'm gonna give you guys a video of the difference in sound of the cone and the pipe bomb. But packaging is A1. Let's keep digging into this. So everything's nice and wrapped. You got the paper wrapping, and then underneath you got the bubble wrap, just to keep all your stuff from being beat up during shipping. So while I'm unboxing here, they sent me a little gift. A little cup, a little stainless cup. Enjoy Stealth. Pretty cool. And a bottle opener. Little stuff like that, man. Little touches like that. Nice. Headers out. Right off the bat, they send you flanges here. A lot of exhaust companies don't do that. You gotta kind of reuse your stock one. So that's a plus. It looks good. So this is all the hardware they send. Got the wide bungs. We're going to the 12mm O2 bungs or O2 sensors. Pop this in there. It's nice. They send you a little copper crush ring with it. So they go right in there. I'm gonna throw a little bit of anti-seize on that. This clamp here for the muffler. A couple other bolts and lock washers and a spacer. A couple lock nuts there. So let's keep going. Kind of like fabbing everything up before I snug anything. But and I was running a Sawiki exhaust first, and then I swapped over to the Vance & Hines. That flow exhaust sounded awesome. The only thing with it was a short exhaust. So when I went and got dynoed, I lost some torque. That had that big dip on my dyno sheet from the torque. Like I said, no issues with that Vance & Hines at all. Pipe sounded great, really, really great. But I just wanted to run something a little bit longer, and I think this Stealth will do that. Stealth has been around for a little while. I'm a big cruisy fan, so see, like, he runs pretty much Stealth on all his bikes. He kind of inspired me to go with a Stealth, something different. I've been running Sawiki speed for 4 years since I bought the bike, and then before I had this bike, I was still running Sawiki speed on my other exhaust. The Vance & Hines, I wanted to switch it up, try something different. Like I said, no issues at all with the exhaust. It's great. It's just, I'm looking for something a little bit different in an exhaust. So swapped out, went to the Stealth. So far, I'm really happy with everything. Packaging, like I said, I love great packaging, and then build quality and everything looks great. Let's get this muffler on there, just just kind of fab it up and see how it would look with everything on there. So real quick, a little delay from over there. As you can see, man, like shout out to Steve over at Stealth, bro. Like I talked to him specifically, and you know, there was a little delay on the pipe and everything, but neither here nor there, man. But like shit like this, man, this is how you treat customers, bro. A little personalized letter, you know, saying hit him up if you have any issues with it. But like shit like that, man, that's how you have returning customers. Let me get back to this. I just ran into this as I was doing making sure I didn't miss anything else in the box. But that's dope as hell, man. Y'all support American companies. More unboxing, as I told y'all, man. Steve over at Stuff also sent me the reverse cone. So this is the shorty, and this thing is super fucking clean, bro. This is nice. This is really nice. So that's your shorty right there. And then I got the pipe bomb over here. But god damn, that shorty is super clean, bro. And this is what I'm going with. So a little bit more length. Pause. Pause, but yeah. Nice. Bracket is on there. Let's get the muffler on there and get everything kind of sized up, lined up, and then snug it all up. All right, every pipe is just slid on there. It's not even screwed on there. Bracket is loose as hell too. Gotta get that on there. I just kind of put everything on by hand. Check clearance over here, because I do know with Sawiki, when I ran Sawiki, it would be kind of tight under here, but it looks like everything clears and is nice and spacious, so to speak. So you see there, nothing touching there on the cam chest cover. Everything's on nice and loose. Let's get everything snugged up, man. But let's get a little side profile shot here. Look good. That's what I was looking for. More length. Looking for more length. Really digging the way it looks. Snugging everything up now. Headers are snugged up. Still got nice little clearance over there, which I love. And snugging this up. And the last one is the muffler. And she's on there. Alright, got everything nice and snug. Only thing left is to wipe it down with some alcohol. I'll get this foot peg back on there. And fire it up. And wipe that down with this some alcohol wipes. Get all those little fingerprint residue and stuff before I fire it up for the first time. Let's go ahead and get this wiped down. Starting it up. Good.